In this Python NiceGUI tutorial, we will make a web application with Tooltip. I will show you how to apply the application step by step in the video. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video. I will use these images and text file in the application. You can access the files from the GitHub link in the description of the video. I create an image using with. I adjust the size of the image with the classes function. I am creating a Tooltip object. I send the text I prepared for Germany to the Tooltip function. I save the code file and run it. You can go to this address using any browser. I created an application with images and tooltips. Now I create image and tooltip objects for France. I am making the necessary arrangements. I am saving the code file. I added the second image and tooltip object to the web page. I will add the image and tooltip object for England to the web page. I am making the necessary arrangements. I am saving the code file. I added all the images below. I want to add side by side. To do this, I use the row function. I add image and tooltip objects to the row function. I am saving the code file. All images added side by side. I can change the dimensions of the tooltip object. I change the size of the tooltip object using the classes function. I am saving the code file. You can see the difference between them. I make size adjustments for other tooltip objects. I am saving the code file. The application works as I want. In this video, we learned how to use the tooltip object. To support us, you can subscribe to the YouTube channel and like the video.